Next up, the Restaurant Briefcase Key on Vondel. You'll find this all the way on the far southeast side of the map over here in the exhibit area. What we're going to do is head to the far north side of the building right about over here. So eventually when you approach this building, what you'll need to do is navigate to the bottom section of it here and find your way inside. Now when you do get here, you'll find a stronghold section here, but that's not where we're trying to head. Where we're trying to get is to the very top of this section, and the easiest way is through the inside here. Do keep your eyes open for the few AI that are here. Of course, more reinforcements could come, and on the roof there are a handful of AI. So we'll head all the way to the very top of the building up here, and you'll find a restaurant at the peak. Now when you're at the restaurant here, you'll find a drop down which we'll simply head into. There are of course other entrances here, and on one of these tables you'll find the restaurant briefcase for which the key is required. Once again, it's pretty much over here on the far southeast side of the map, inside the exhibit, all the way on the very top floor. So thank you all for watching. That's really about it for this super quick guide. My name has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!